Hello everyone, welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term 2 book, page number 124, lesson number 1, the body and its function. So children, let's start. In this chapter, what are the main learning points? Human body, sense organ system and their functions. Write how your body parts help you to do something with the items given below. So children, write how your body parts help to do something these items like ball, ice cream and rose. So let's start. I see the ball with my eyes and kick with my leg. I see the ball with my eyes and kick with my leg. So children, write down here leg, L-E-G, leg. Done. Come to the next. What is this? This is ice cream. So I see ice cream with my eyes and eat with my hand. So children, here write down I see ice cream with my eyes and eat with my hand. Done. Come to the next one. Rose. I see rose with my eyes and touch with my hand. I see rose with my eyes and touch with my hand. Done. So children, look at a cycle. It is a machine made of many parts. You see cycle and they have many parts. You hold the handle and pedal it. Its chain turns wheels and thus the cycle moves. Cycle is a machine. Like a machine. It is a machine made of the many parts. You hold the handle and pedal and its chain turns the wheels, thus the cycle moves. Similarly, human body is also machine. It has many parts. We can see the external part of the body. Can you name them in the figure given here? So children, see this picture and write each and every parts of the body. Similar, human body also have a machine. It has many parts. Yes, and these parts like two types of parts, external body parts and internal body parts. There are many parts inside the body but they cannot be seen from outside. They are called internal organs. They perform important function. Understood children, what are the external body parts and internal body parts? External body parts we can see but internal body parts we cannot see. These body parts inside our body. Understood? Come to the next page, page number 125. Just a house in a made of bricks. Our body is made of million of building blocks called cells. There are many types of cells in our body. Cells of the same kind come together to form a tissue. Many types of tissues from an organ. A set of organs work together and form a system. This system carry out the various functions in our body and keep us live. So children, cells of the body kind come together from a tissue and many types of tissue from an organ, and these set of organs work together from a system. Cells, tissues, organ and systems. We come to know about our surrounding through our five sense organs. We can see with our eyes. They tell us the size of colors, many more details about what we see. We see with our eyes and they tell us what is the size of color, many more details about what we See, our nose. Our nose picks smells of different kinds. Some things smell are good while some smells are bad. Nose also help us in breathing air in and out. Our nose help us to smell things. Something smells are good or something smells are bad. We hear different sounds through our ears. Sounds can be loud or soft, sharp or dull, pleasant or unpleasant. We hear with our ears. We hear different sounds through our ears. The tongue. Tongue is the sense organ of taste. It tells us the taste of what we put in our mouth. The four basic tastes like sweet, salty, bitter or sour. The tongue is the sense organs of taste. It tells us what we eat. The basic taste of like sweet, salty, bitter or sour. And next sense organs, the skin gives us a sense of touch and feel. Our fingertips and lips are very sensitive parts of our body. Our skin tells us whether a thing smooth or rough, hot or cold. We feel with our skin. When touch it, we feel it. Like the skin gives us sense, touch and feel. Understood children what we learned today? We learn our body is a machine and five sense organs. In the next class we will start page number 126, the organ system of the body. Thank you.